Now let us discuss about third type of argument, that is default argument. Before this we have discussed two types of argument. First, positional or required argument. Second, keyword argument. Now third is default argument. A default argument is an argument that assumes a default value if a value is not provided in the function call for that argument. It means when you call a function in a function call, if the value of any argument is missing, then the default value for that argument will be used. And second point you have to remember, the default values are specified in function header of function definition. Just observe an example. Here we have written one function with name sum, and this x equals to 3, y equals to 4. These are the default argument, or these are the default value for argument. Just see here, first time when I have written r equals to sum, we are not passing any value. No value of argument is passed. So here when it calls this function, value of x will be used as 3, y equals to 4, and it will give the answer as 7. Then second time you can observe I have passed value for first argument only. I have written x equals to 4. Now here when you are passing the value for argument, then its default value will not be used. Means here when this function will be called, x value will be used as 4, and we have not passed the value for y. That's why y value will be used as 4. That's why second time it will return the result as 4 plus 4, 4 x value, y 4 value, their sum it will be written as 8. Then third time I have passed the value of second argument, y equals to 45. So here x value will be used as 3 and y value will be used as 4, and it will return the result as 3 plus 45, that is 48. You can see the output will be first time no value is passed. That's why the default value 3 plus 4 will be used. In this case the output will be 7. Second time we are passing the value for first argument only, that's why result 4 plus 4, that is 8. And third time we have passed the value for second argument, that is 45, and the value for the first argument, you can see here the value for the first argument is 3. That's why 45 plus 3, that is result will be 48. Now let us discuss this example in IDLE. I have already saved this. So if you run a program, then you will get the result, first value as 7, second value as 8, and third value as 48. Okay, now let us discuss the third point which is written here, that is, in a function header any argument cannot have default value unless all arguments appearing on its right have their default value. Means suppose here I have not specified the default value for second argument. I have not written default value for y, I have just written default value for x. Then here what the rule says, any argument can have default value when the argument on its right is having default value. Here we have not written the default value for right side argument. So if you run this program, you can see it gives the error non-default argument follows default argument. Okay, so here it should have the default value, if I specify the default value for y, and if I remove the default value of x, now x doesn't have default value, y have default value. So if you run the program, I will just make comment to this because here both arguments are missing. Now you can see, if you run the program, you will get the result. First time it was giving an error. This type error, and second time this is the error. First time it has given, and after that it will work. Let me make it maximize, and now you can check. Here it was giving error that required argument positional x. Now here I have used default value for right side argument, that is y equals to 4, and there is no default value for x. So in this case it will work. Here x value we have passed, so x value will be used as 4 and y value will be used as default value. So here if you run this program, running, you can see here you get the answer as 8. You can observe here. Okay, so here you can see I have made comment for here for third calling statement also, because here y equals to 45 we have written, means there is a default value for second argument, you are passing value for second argument and not for x. That's why here also it will give error. That's why I have make this as a comment. So here you have to remember this important rule, that in function header any argument cannot have default value unless all arguments appearing on its right have their default value. Okay, so arguments on any argument cannot have default value unless an argument on its right, like here y is having default value, so here x can have now the default value. Okay, and last point you have to remember that the required argument should be before default arguments. Like here in this example, when I have not written x equals to 3, x is required argument now and y equals to 4 is default argument. So here what the rule says, the required argument should be present before the default argument. Okay, so let me summarize the point what we have to remember about default argument. First of all, default argument value is used when value is not provided in the function call. This is the first point. The default values are specified in the function header. Then third point, any argument cannot have default value unless all arguments appearing on its right have the default value. And the last, the required argument should be before default arguments. And you can use this example.